It's me again, guys. Kamusta na po kayong lahat dyan? Sensya po, hindi pa ako naka-vlog lately. I was really busy. We were out of town. We were somewhere. And also, I was preparing Julian's kindergarten. His first kindergarten. Yeah, we were out of town. We were... yes. Nakauwi kami sa Pilipinas, guys. Nagbakasyon po kami dalawa ni Julian. Kaming dalawa ni Julian. Hindi sumama si Papi kasi busy si Papi sa trabaho. He's working 100%. So, he's really, you know, trabaho talaga for us. And then, yeah. At, yeah, we went to Philippines. We had a 3-week vacation there. Enjoy lahat. Enjoy kaming lahat. Especially si Julian. We flew from Zurich to Qatar, Doha, Qatar, and then to Davao. From Zurich to Qatar, it was okay, but the flight going to Doha, Qatar to Davao was a bit scary. I will share it to you on my next vlog, guys, because it's really nakakaano talaga yung trip na yun. And ayun, when we arrived in Davao, my uncle hinatid kami, kinuha kami sa airport, and then we stayed there for 2 days because we arrived there June 20, and then we stayed there until 22. Then we were, yeah, we slept there, and then catching the, we were in jet lags. Kami dalawa ni Julian, especially si Julian. So, at ako, as in, talaga ako, KO na KO. Kasi guys, pero si Julian may improvement. Nakatulog si Julian sa eroplano. Dati hindi siya nakatulog, as in whole flight. Hindi siya nakatulog. Nakapikit siya pero hindi siya, you cannot say that it's a short nap or short sleep. Parang kapikit siya pero bukas pa rin yung mata niya. Ewan ko, yung first international flight niya dati, yung 2 years ago. Pero ngayon nakatulog siya, and yeah, nakatulog siya, pero ako hindi ako nakatulog kasi inalalayan ko yung yung ulo niya. Kasi yung unan, binigay ko sa kanya yung unan ko. So, 2 unan niya. Panay siya, yung ulo niya panay move. So, yung unan, minsan lumalabas or minsan natatamaan sa handle. So, inaano ko talaga, sinisecure ko yung ulo niya na wag tamaan sa handle kasi medyo matigas yung handle. Anyway, ayun, nagstay kami sa Davao. Then, for 2 days. So, June 20, 21, and then 22, ayun, doon kami, pumunta kami sa mall. Si Julian, talaga, yung tita niya, si Tita Azea, inintroduce sa kanya yung arcade. Ayan, pinasakay siya ng mga rides, and then enjoy siya. And kasi nga, lumevel up yung ride niya. So, gusto niya itry yung, race bike. Yung big bike na, racing. So, doon siya. Kami na lang nagmo-maneuver yung upuan niya sa big bike. Ayun, enjoy talaga siya sa ride na yun. And then ayun, then sa June 22, from Davao, pumunta kami sa Lagindingan Airport to Cagayan de Oro City. So, ayan, andun kasi yung family ko sa Cagayan de Oro City. Doon sila nakabase. And then we went there. Dapat sana sila pupunta sa Davao, yung parents ko, yung family ko. Kaso yung service nila medyo may problem. So, might as well kami na lang pumunta doon. And besides, yung parents ko getting old. So, kami na lang pumunta doon. And then, ayun, pinikap kami ng parents ko. And si Julian, grabe yung takbo niya sa lola niya. And, ayan, nagstay kami doon until, I think, from June 22 to July 7. So, andun kami. nagbanding-banding yung maglola, maglolo, yung grandparents and si Julian, ayan, yung parents ko tsaka si Julian, nagbanding sila, take advantage na while we're there, and then si mommy naka me time doon sa sa Cagayan de Oro, nagpamasahe, nagpa-manicure, pedicure, ayun, then relax si mommy basta nandoon. Kasi dito, nakaka-relax rin si mommy dito, pero, yeah, over there kasi marami kasi natutulong sa'yo, kasi andun yung family side ko. Ayun, enjoy si Julian, andun yung kapatid ko, yung ninong niya, nag-arcade sila, ride, mga kiddie rides, and then gusto pa rin niya itry yung big bike, so, yung kapatid ko nagmamaneuver sa kanya kung paano gumalaw, ayan. Enjoy talaga si Julian. Actually, before kami bumalik sa Davao, gusto niya, can we bring Lolo and Lola to Switzerland? I said, oh, we'll see, kasi pa, kailangan pa yung budget namin. We'll see, and then, ayun. And then, sabi niya na, I want to stay here, mommy. Can we stay here until kindergarten starts? Sabi ko, well, Julian, when we go back, kindergarten will start slowly. So, yeah, we need to go back there kasi, kindergarten and our life is there with Papi. Ayan, sabi ko sa kanya. Then sabi niya, yeah, but, gawin siya. So, yeah, it was really relaxing, vacation for mommy, for me, and then kay Julian very tawag niyan, yung bond ng grandparents niya at with him, and also his ninong and ninang and titos and titas, na parang nag-strong yung bond nila, and then yung closeness nila. So ayun, gumala kami sa guys, sa waterfalls. It was nice experience. It was Julian's first waterfall. Nakakita siyang waterfall first time doon sa sa malapit sa Cagayan de Oro sa amin, and it was nice experience for Julian kasi first time niya, but medyo na siya na why is it's only tiny water falling down from the mountain. Sabi ko, yeah, maybe there's a time that merong oras na maraming water that will fall down, and I think meron din time na wala masyadong water na fall down, and I think it was also parang lately, those previous weeks na doon kami, yung previous weeks pa noon, before kami dumating, it was really hot, and then I think the water, parang anong tawag niya, nag-dry out. So, ayun, pero meron pa rin water na nag-fall down. Ayun, it was, for Julian, it was memorable, it was unforgettable experience, moment para kay Julian, and, ayun, and, katapos noon, July 7, bumalik kami sa Davao kasi doon kami yung flight namin going back to Switzerland. So, the rest of the days left kasi yung flight namin July 11, so may kami 7, 8, 9, then 10. So, then 11 kasi gabi man yung namin flight namin sa July 11. So, 5 days kami sa Davao. So, ayun, lang kami, nag-mall, and nagpunta kami sa playground. Yung ganda ng playground nila doon, yung bagong playground na malapit sa highway, na malapit sa parang dagat. Bagong yata yun? Bagong highway na daanan. Then may silang playground. Medyo malaki siya ng playground. Maganda siya. And it was really, para kay Julian, when there's a playground or anything that is, can be, that he can move, and he's already he's already okay with that. He's very happy and joyful and excited. And then nagpunta rin kami sa indoor playground, ayun, playing ball pit, siya sa ball pit doon. It was nice. Sabi pa nga niya na gusto daw niya dalhin si Lolo Toti and Lola Mimi sa dito daw sa amin. Sabi ko, yeah, we'll see, Julian. We'll see. Ayun, and then overall sa aming 3-week vacation sa Philippines, it was really nice. Hindi lang ako masyado nagvo-vlog kasi I was really, focus sa myself and also for Julian and our our mental, just in Philippines na walang yung disturbance sa camera and this and that. So focus ako sa yung lang namin ba, yung sa self namin. And then ayun, di ako parang nag-detox. Pero may mga na-record akong videos, guys, pero hindi lang every move na ni-record ko, kasi once in a while gusto ko na wala akong wala akong gusto ko relax ako sa sa bakasyon ko. So pero may mga na record akong videos na ayun, mga pasyalan namin, yung kainan namin, ayun, and pictures. So ayun, at yan, sensya na po, guys, na hindi ko na pero once in a while kasi, minsan kasi na gusto mo na, you need to detox, or like few days wag mo yung di mo hawakan yung phone mo, or di mo hawakan yung camera mo. Gusto mo ikaw muna ngayon, relax lang, talk to your family, personal, and without cameras. Ayan, so ayun. And also mostly nagte-take pictures lang ako, yan. And then ayun, I had a pamper time, relaxing, wellness time for myself. And then it was really nice. As in, pagkatapos ng yung 3 weeks na yun, gaan ng feeling, yung parang yung bigat ng, parang feel mo may mabigat na bato ka sa likod. Yung before pa kami lumipad. Then pagbalik sa pagbiyahe namin, while andun na kami for 3 weeks, parang bigla nawala yung yung bato na yun. So pagbalik namin sa Switzerland, parang gumaan ang feeling ko, parang naglight ang feeling ko. Ayun, so ayun, it was, yeah. It was really nice. And yan, dito muna tayo, guys. Thank you so much for your for your understanding and for your support to my channel. Ayan, for more Shenley V, Papi V, and Julian V, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell down below. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless, and happy summer. Hi, we're going back now. You're sad? Oh, you're sad. Hi, guys. We're going back to Switzerland. Kalumpog mo to.